What's up everyone? So this weekend I am putting this diamond plate anti-fatigue mat, 30 bucks on Amazon, and I'm gonna put in a new headliner for the truck show. So yeah, so that one every time I touch it, it like flakes down and puts old foam all over everything, which is gross. So I saw another guy do it online and it looked really cool. So I'm gonna give it a shot and yeah. So scrape the foam off, and then cut the mat to size and use some spray adhesive from Home Depot, some high contact stuff, and hopefully that works. Let it set, and I think while I'm at it, I might install some LEDs in the back of the shell as well, because my truck bulb thing for the back is really small and doesn't work. So yeah, so here we go.
wasn't too bad. Cost me 30 bucks for the mat on Amazon. I'll throw the link in the description. $10 for the can of 3M spray adhesive from Home Depot. And yeah, it took me like 3.5 hours because I didn't scrape it right to begin with. I imagine it's like a 2-hour job if you actually do it the right way. But yeah, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you want, share it, or tell all of your Forerunner friends about it and how awesome Frankie is. Yeah, guess I'll see y'all on the next video.